Today I'm testing out what I honestly think might be one of the best recliners that you could buy going into 2025. This is the Chita Keith Leather Swivel Glider Recliner with a power headrest. And if you're not familiar with Chita, they've really built a reputation for making stylish and comfortable furniture that actually fits different budgets and different home styles. Everything from farmhouse to modern contemporary. And this chair is a perfect example of that. Let me show you what makes it special. First thing you'll notice is the design. It's modern, clean, and has those smooth curves with that tufted detailing. It looks high-end without being too fancy or too bulky. It fits right into your living room, an office, or a bedroom corner, wherever you want a real relaxation zone. The leather is genuine, top grain leather across all the seating areas. Soft, durable, and easy to wipe clean. This is the kind of leather that actually gets better as you use it. Now, the best part, the dual motor system. This isn't one of those basic single motor recliners. You can control the backrest and the footrest separately. So you can sit upright with your legs up, or you can fully recline and stop anywhere in between. Smooth glide, smooth motion, and it has full 270-degree swivel. And this is the feature I didn't know I needed until I used it. The adjustable power headrest. If you watch TV, use your iPad, or read in your chair, this is a game changer. You can bring your head up without lifting your whole body. Super comfortable on your neck. Perfect angles every time. Support-wise, yeah, they did this right. Plush cushioning, no-sag spring support, and a contoured backrest that actually fits your body. It's one of those chairs where you lean back and instantly feel your whole body relax. And here's a small detail that ends up being a big win. Built-in USB and Type-C charging, right on the control panel. So you can sit here and charge your phone or your tablet and not deal with cables running across the room. Yes, it'll charge tablets and devices like MacBook Air that take Type-C. It has a USB and Type-C charging port. Now for durability. The frame is handcrafted wood. The mechanism is UL certified. The foam is Pure US certified. The wood meets FSC and EPA standards. So you're not just buying comfort. You're buying something safe, stable, and built to last. Weight capacity is 350 pounds. And the chair fits standard 30.7-inch doorways because the back comes off. Super easy to move. And assembly, it's tool-free. You take it out of the box, slide the back on, plug it in, and you're done. Takes maybe a minute. My honest take, this feels like a luxury recliner that you'd expect to see in a high-end furniture showroom, but without the crazy markup. The leather feels premium. The motions are smooth. The headrests are extremely useful. And overall, it just feels very solid. No wobbling, no cheap parts, no noise. If you want something modern, comfortable, and made with real materials, this is a great option. It's perfect for winding down after work, great for movie nights, and honestly, it's one of those chairs that the whole family will fight over. So if you're shopping for a new recliner for 2025, especially something stylish, modern, and ridiculously comfortable, the Chita Keith Leather Swivel Glider Recliner is absolutely worth checking out. And right now, Chita has Black Friday deals live on cheetaliving.com. So if you're thinking about upgrading your living room or creating your own little personal retreat at home, this is a perfect time to grab one. Link is below if you want to check out the current discounts.